Are you ready to discover the meaning of the Star Tarot card? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what this card means in any kind of reading, whether it's about love, career, finance, spirituality, or even just a general reading. Plus, I'm going to show you how to interpret this card when it's upright and also when it's reversed. So that way you'll never get stuck on this card in a reading again. So let's dive in. Now, the star represents hope, faith, purpose, renewal, and spirituality. And just take a look at this beautiful card. Now, it shows a naked woman kneeling at the edge of a small pool, and she's holding two containers of water. There's one in her left hand, which represents the subconscious, and one in her right, which is the conscious mind. And she pours water from one container into the pool and from the other onto the land. Now, the woman has got one foot on the ground, representing her practical abilities and good common sense, but she also has one foot in the water, and this represents her intuition and her inner resources and listening to her inner voice. Now, she's completely naked, which represents her vulnerability and her purity under the vastness of the starry night sky. Now, behind her shines a very large star, and this symbolizes her core essence. Then you've got the 7 smaller stars, which actually represent the chakras. Now, the star card follows the tower card in the tarot, and it is definitely a welcome reprieve after a period of destruction and turmoil that you'll see in the tower card. And this means that you've endured many, many challenges, and you've really stripped yourself bare of any limiting beliefs that you may have had previously that were holding you back. And now you're realizing who you really are beneath all of those layers. And no matter what life throws your way, you know that you're always connected to the divine and pure loving energy. So you hold a new sense of self, a new appreciation for the core of your being. Now, the star brings a renewed hope and faith and a sense that you are truly blessed by the universe. You're entering a really peaceful, loving phase in your life filled with calm energy, mental stability, and a more in-depth understanding of yourself and others around you. So this is a time of significant personal growth and development as you really get ready to receive the many blessings of the universe. Now, with the star card, anything is possible. The magic is really flowing around you, my friend. Your heart is full of hope and your soul is being up-leveled and uplifted to the highest of highs as you realize that your dreams really can come true. Now, the key is to allow yourself to dream, to aspire, to elevate in any way possible so that you can reach the stars, because they're right here waiting for you. This card is showing you the way to your dreams and your goals. Now, the card also shows you or calls on you to find or rediscover a sense of meaning, inspiration, or purpose. And by making some significant changes in your life, you're going to bring about a fresh perspective. So you see, in saying out with the old and in with the new, you're also choosing the highest version of yourself. And this is really a profound spiritual journey that's going to renew your inner energy. So strip back any limiting beliefs, facades, or deceptions, and live your authentic nature. Be open to new ideas and growth, and listen to the still voice within, and you will find even greater meaning and purpose in your life. Now, finally, the star also suggests a generous spirit. So you might want to give or share your wealth with others to help them transform their lives. Yours is such an open heart, my friend, that you now want to give back the blessings that you've received so that others may benefit. Now, when it comes to relationships and love, the star card brings wonderful positive energy. So whether you're single or you're in a stable relationship, the star card offers a gift of love and inspiration that can only bring happiness, renewal, hope, and faith. So if you're looking for love, there is good news, because now is an excellent time to meet someone new. This card signals that you've been going through a personal transformation and you've discovered who you want to be and who you want to attract into your life. You're also in a much more positive and optimistic frame of mind, which is going to naturally attract others. So be on the alert, because a new relationship could happen at any time now. Now, if you're in a committed relationship, then this may move to a newer, higher, and more fulfilling level. The star shows you that you've learned a lot from your previous relationships, and as a result, you have a much deeper insight into what works and what doesn't. And so now you can apply this new wisdom to your current relationship. Now, when it comes to career, work, and finances, in a career reading, the star card indicates that you're not putting on a mask or a persona as you step through the office doors. You're actually being the truest, most authentic version of yourself. And what a joy. And here's the thing, because you are being you, and success and recognition will really flow from that place. Now, the star also reflects that you are looking to share this success with others. So maybe it's through mentoring, public speaking, or coaching a colleague. You might even be considering how you can give back to the community using your professional skills. Now, if you're thinking about a change in your career, then the star suggests that you're seeking greater meaning and purpose in what you do. So, for example, maybe you don't want to work in an environment where it's just about making a profit for the senior executives or shareholders of a large corporation. No, my friend, instead, you want to know that you are having a real and meaningful impact on the people and the things that truly matter most. So maybe you're considering a work environment that nurtures and appreciates your value as an individual and what you have to offer. Or maybe you might be attracted to a smaller or community-based organization where you can connect more with your colleagues and your customers and your community. You see what I mean? So financially, the star is a positive sign that you may come into a windfall of some kind. So be ready to receive those financial blessings from the universe, as you'll have everything that you need and then some. Now, if you see the star in a spiritual reading, well, firstly, know that the star is a profoundly spiritual card that reflects your connection to the divine. You've got full faith and confidence in the universe, and you are ready to receive and create miracles. So you might even be considering going through a stage of purification to help you strengthen your connection with the divine, letting go of anything that stands in your way and purifying your soul. And the star is reminding you that this is a journey of renewal for you, and your spiritual development is essential as you move into the next stage. You may even be drawn to a spiritual healing and called to share your gifts and your light with others. Now, what if you see the star reversed in your tarot reading? Well, it could indicate that you have lost your faith and your hope in the universe. Maybe you've been feeling a little bit overwhelmed by life's challenges and you're questioning why you're being put through this. And you know that life throws you curveballs, but really, like, you're thinking, why this? Why now? Maybe you're desperately calling out to the universe to give you some reprieve, but you're struggling to see how the divine is on your side right now. The card is asking you to look harder, and you will see it. The divine is always there. So take a moment to ask yourself what the deeper life lesson is here and how this is a blessing and not a punishment for you. Now, often the star reversed is a test of faith. So when you're confronted with a challenging situation, you can either crumble like the tower, or you can stand firm in your conviction that the divine is everywhere. So the star is calling on you to learn how to trust not only in the universe, but also in yourself, because you are the vessel for the divine. And when you have faith and confidence in yourself, you allow the divine to really shine through you. The star reverse can also indicate that maybe you're feeling a bit disengaged or uninspired with life or parts of your life, like your work, your hobbies, relationships, personal projects, and so on. Now, maybe you started out with a lot of wonderful vision and enthusiasm, but now you're finding yourself overwhelmed by day-to-day routines that are boring and just dreary, right? So this card is telling you that if you feel disconnected from the work that you do and you wonder if it's time to move on and make a change, then you need to reconnect with what is truly important to you and your soul's purpose for this lifetime. And if you align your daily life with this purpose, you'll actually find new sources of inspiration. Now, finally, the reverse star urges you to take time out for self-care and nourishment on a deeply personal and spiritual level. And if your energy reserves are well and truly feeling depleted, don't push yourself further. Just make time for you. So book in a massage, reconnect to your daily spiritual practice, take a warm bath, do whatever you need to do to nurture your spirit and reconnect with your inner essence. And also, being near water or engaging in a purification ritual will actually help you to nourish yourself on a deeper level. Now, if you want to learn more about the tarot cards and what they all mean, I've got something really special for you. It is my tarot card meanings reference guide, and it's absolutely free. It's going to give you all of the meanings for all of the cards in a really simple to use format. All you need to do is click on the link below and you will get instant access. You will never go blank in a reading again. And of course, if you want to learn more about how to read tarot in a more modern and approachable way, I want you to know there is so much for you to explore here at Biddy Tarot, because we've helped millions of people around the world to develop their tarot skills, read the cards with confidence, and of course, we would love to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. Bye for now. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.